Hey you guys, it's Carolyn from Homesteading Family, and I have a great homesteading hack for you guys today. Have you ever gotten a jar from a thrift store or from a friend, or maybe you've gone to the grocery store and gotten a jar of pickles because you wanted to use the jar itself? But then when you open it up and you think, hey, maybe I want to store my dried prunes in here or some dried apples or something in there, and it smells like garlic or vinegar or pickles, and you can't get the smell out no matter how much you've washed it. I'm going to show you how to do it really easily today. Now, I just brought this jar home from a friend's place who does not do food preservation, and it definitely smells like garlic. I don't know what was in here before, but it was something that was really garlicky. This is so easy, guys. All you're gonna do is you're gonna take about a tablespoon of dry mustard. Yes, that is dry mustard powder. Now, if all you have is like a prepared American yellow mustard in your fridge, you can use that too. You probably want about a quarter cup of that. And I'm gonna put this in the jar. Now, don't worry, this is not going to end up taking away the pickle flavor or smell, but leaving the mustard flavor. It all comes out after this. And I'm going to top this with boiling water. Now you can see I'm going to need a second kettle full, but this is all that you do. You're going to fill it all the way up. You're going to close it down. You're going to give it a shake every so often, a couple times a day, and you're going to let this sit for about 3 days. Now, jars that are really bad may possibly need more time than that, and it may even need a second dose. But you're gonna be amazed at how well this takes it out. So you're just gonna dump this out, wash it with hot soapy water, and give it the smell test. See what you think. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.